Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Daniel, a student here at University of Maryland, Baltimore County.
Hey, Ghazi Institute. It's Jordan Wallace from the study abroad Morocco trip.
Everyone, my name is Mohammed Ba, and I wanted to talk about my experience about my study abroad with the Ghazi Institute in Morocco.
Hi, my name is Morgan Robbins. I'm a sophomore at the University of Maryland, Baltimore County, and this spring I got to travel to Morocco as part of a program with the Ghazi Institute.
And this is the pure Islamic architecture with the Moroccan Andalusian style. Always we start with geometry, and when you look at the geometry, it's just like a beautiful design, but there is mathematics behind it. Okay, so first thing we calculate the wall. Najjar, no, it's carpenter. Najjar is carpenter. It's like wood. In this place where we used to make all the house stuff. Yeah.
I had a fantastic time. It was really great getting to travel to all the different cities like Rabat, Chefchaouen. And Tangier. Going to the different museums in Rabat and Fez was especially fun because we got to see a lot of the different jewelry, which I like. Getting to eat and experience all the different kinds of food. And music.
I also enjoyed meeting the kids at the Ghazi Institute.
A lot of them spoke English, so there was no like language barrier or nothing. Also, we had a great time. There was good food. We had entertainment.
It was very impressive to see them speak English.
I am 8 years old. I learned English when I was young.
Cool. What do you do at school?
Learn. Overall, I enjoyed my stay. I enjoyed the hospitality, and I hope to see you guys again. Thank you.
I really had a great time at the dance at the Ghazi Institute, and I can't wait to come back to Morocco.
And I recommend it to everyone when they are in Fez to visit. So thank you. Shukran.
My favorite part of the trip was the Madrasa boarding school.
The mosque.
The beautiful city of Chefchaouen.
The Imperial City Fez.
The farmer's market. All of the colorful kaftans and jalabas.
The King's Palace.
Dancing with the students at Ghazi. The 8 plates of couscous.
I loved it so much.